We call it DSG, is a page rendering option that cuts down on long build times. It's especially critical for sites that have thousands, maybe 10,000 pages or more, because it gives developers more options of how to perfectly balance developer experience and user experience. So, how? Well, with DSG, instead of generating every page at build time, you can decide to build certain pages up front and then others only when a user accesses the page at runtime. You can think of it as generating the critical pages always and others only when they're requested, which are then built and cached for all subsequent users. For example, let's say you and your friends don't get accepted by any colleges, and you decide to start a new university called the South Harmon Institute of Technology, or SHIT for short. The school has this huge online newspaper with a ton of pages. Some of the pages are visited millions of times, and others are rarely, if ever, visited. With Gatsby, you could choose to use SSG to build those most visited pages up front, so they're super fast for all the visitors, and then leverage DSG to only build the less visited ones when a user accesses that page at runtime. In this example, the web developer would probably likely choose to have the campus map be built up front since it's trafficked so much, whereas the March 1998 Math Department newsletter is probably a good candidate to be deferred. You might be wondering, well, okay, what if someone decides they do want to see that math newsletter? What's their experience like? Well, the first person to visit that page would have a super slight delay as that page built. But then any other visitor who comes to that page would be served the already rendered and cached HTML. To summarize, deferred static generation helps you perfectly balance developer experience and user experience, even for sites that have thousands of pages.